Hello, Renee Beth Poindexter here. I'm so excited that you're interested in learning more about what does it mean to be a member of the Living the Potential Network. Such a great question. We find that this is a place for intergenerational learning, and it's really for people who are recognizing this is a time to bring the best of who you are to your life and find others who are interested in doing the same. We have a program here, intergenerational learning, which actually is for families, it's for individuals, it's for anyone that's interested in learning to grow and become their highest and best self. So, what does it include? Well, there's a private transformational community here where you have access to our complete learning community forum that includes courses and workshops and what we call our Podlux, which is monthly events in which we actually bring people together to talk about the issues that are most interesting to them, in ways in which they can share what their experience is, what they'd like to do about it, what their potential solutions are, and also their superpowers. And it's a way of getting connected. People who come to these events are excited because they're meeting other people who care about the same things that they do. These podlets have actually seeded our quarterly garden experiments. And a garden experiment, we can do them in person. And we actually started this initially in Washington, D.C. in 2019. But with the pandemic, we've done several of them online. And it's very interesting because what we do is we bring people together around an area of concern. And from there, it's both youth and their mentors. And we collaborate using our framework for organic learning model for life. And in a process of 2 days, and 3 hours each day, we come to some actual conclusions and some opportunities to work together further for projects that perhaps could become prototypes that could perhaps become funded. We do member spotlights in which you can actually, as you become a member and you have an area of interest, maybe it's a book that you've written or a workshop that you've created or an invention that you want to get feedback on, whatever it is, as a member, you have the opportunity to be spotlighted. And it's interesting because from that space, we learned to attract other people who are interested on these prototypes and projects. We have a community think tank where, let's say you've got some interesting thoughts and ideas on a project, but you're not quite sure what to do. We have some key people that will hold your hand and listen and give you some key pointers on what to do next. We actually are attracting mentors who have a powerful message or presentation that they would like to share with us. And so we get to learn from mentors of all ages. We actually have office hours where I have an opportunity to come in and let's work together, where you'll see several people online and you can chat and so forth back and forth with each other. It's kind of thinking of it as a working space for conscious intergenerational learning. Change makers. You get the opportunity to actually build your network in a powerful way. Because I always like to say that there are people out there that are interested in the same thing you are. And how do we use technology to find them? Good question. Well, Living the Potential is a space where you can do that. And we actually have a way in which we've taken the value of all these products and offerings and reduced them close to 17 to 20% off. And we actually first launch here for an adult plan, it's like $24 a month. For youth, it's $12 a month. And we have a family plan of $49 a month. But we also offer scholarships. So we don't want money to be an issue that would hold anyone back from wanting to be a member. So we have a scholarship application, and if accepted and so forth, it would be $1 a month to become a part of it. We feel that learning and growing in this 21st century does require us to kind of get out of the box. And so many people are in transition. It could be in transition about, going back to school or back to work or creating your own business. Or, maybe you're retired and you realize, I'm retired, I'm not dead. I have offers and things I want to bring forward. Where can I bring that? This is a space where age does not matter. What is interesting to our network, it's energy. What is it? Who are you? How can we support you? And how can we learn and grow together? So come and join our intergenerational learning community and let's really live our potential and bring about the changes we'd like to see in the world. What's really cool is as you decide to join our community, there's a 30-day free trial period. So please allow yourself the opportunity to experience what this is and how to integrate it into your learning journey. We are looking forward to meeting you and understanding what your key area of interest is. It may be that you're a parent and you have a child that needs special mentoring in a specific area, and it's not you. You need someone else that can support your child in getting that mentoring. Or you could be a youth who's thinking, you know what? I have a project that my mom and I want to do together, or my dad and I want to do together, or maybe we want to create a family business. There's so many things that emerge when you start to look at learning as a space that you can design your self-directed learning as an individual, as a family. And we look forward to exploring those topics with you. So take advantage of the 30-day free trial and let us know how we can serve you. Look forward to meeting you in the network.